And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a Neewer Motorised Tabletop Dolly. It's one I've purchased and hopefully it will help me improve some of my videos in the near future. There we go. Whew, finally got it open. So this is what we've got. Uber wacky. Little remote control. A little thingy there, a little bit of customer service, giving you email and whatever. Okay, let's put that aside. Got a spare wheel, it looks like. Bit of silica gel. And here is the manual. This is the English one. There are several manuals in various languages, but obviously I'm only interested in English. And as always, you can pause at any time if there's anything of interest, and you can have a bit of a read. We got a little key there, Allen key, and the main device itself. Okay, let's get that up. Let's have a bit of a look here. Okay, this is battery operated. There should be a rechargeable battery in it, so we'll put it into action shortly once I have a bit of a read of the instructions and work out how to operate this thing. Now, I've been having a bit of a look at the instructions, and it says here remote battery, which is a model CR2032, is not included. Now that's interesting, because when you look at the remote control itself, you can see there's a little bit of plastic in here, so that sort of indicates that there is actually a battery in there. I haven't opened it yet, so let's have a little look. And sure enough, there it is. So even though the instruction says it doesn't come with a CO232 battery, it actually does. So that's kind of handy. We'll have a bit of fun with this shortly. Have to turn the power on, of course. And there we go, straight line. Now to adjust it to go around the corner, we bend obviously the little arms, so I'll give it a bit of a go now. I'll get about that, I think. Maybe centralise it, give or take there, and see what happens. Let's press the button again. As you can see, I don't have the centre quite right, so it's just a matter of adjusting it a little bit more. You get more and more familiar with the actual adjustments, obviously, as this contraption gets more and more use. And we'll press the button and bring it back the other way now. You can adjust the speed, of course, which is kind of nifty. Slow it down, speed her up. That's maximum speed as it is there. And you just simply press the button when you want to stop. That's it. So your reverse button is that one. Speed is that. Reverse it. And it works quite well. Can't complain so far. Now for my final thoughts on the powered dolly made by Neewer. I've been using it now for quite a few months. It works flawlessly, and I've had no problems whatsoever, and I can mount different sized cameras on the top quite easily. So hopefully you'll learn something watching my video. If you have, please consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, it doesn't really matter. And if you'd like to leave a comment, I'd appreciate that as well. All the very best. Till next time, take care. Bye.